Julia, and welcome to our tutorial. Now we get a lot of questions these days, such as how to add my store to my account, how to add products, how to manage my orders, how and where do I start, which is the reason this kind of tutorial existed, is to help you find answers to those questions. How to build your account first?
Because that's what's most important for you to set up, to access and take advantage of the features. Let's start by logging into your account. So, what you will actually see after you log into your account, now we'll ignore the left side first. So, let's ignore that part and let's start by explaining the dashboard. So, dashboard, there will be unpaid orders,
Return conciliation.
sales report, product ranking by revenue, by quantity. These are all statistics for you to know how well is your store doing. As you can see in the top right corner, help. These are useful information for you to learn by system training, online demos, and so on. If that isn't enough for you, there is also the bottom
Left.
corner there where you can access and chat with our customer service. Let's close that for now and go to the top right again. Now, after that, you can change your language according to the language you're comfortable. After that, there will be an announcement icon for we to make announcement or notifications every necessary minutes. After that, there will be a profile. Let's click go to and let's set up your store. So click this user settings, display user settings information. How do we set up a store? Let's click add store and select whatever store you currently have to connect the store to this account so that the data will be synced to be used for other features in our system. Let's select, in my case, Shopee and press connect. Now to sync and verify that marketplace, but in my case, I want to be doing it in this account. After that, it will appear here after successful verification and your display as active. And that's all you need to do after that. Go to edit setting, edit user details, and fill up your information, as well as copy details and press update. Those are very important steps. Both of these, and that's all you need to do to set up your account. If you didn't set up those settings, both of these other features would not work, such as the products, it will not be able to sync to your store if your API settings did not see it correctly. Change password system settings, you can play around those if you want, but it's not necessary. Now, after that, we click to product on the left side. Will display a list of different features. Now, the features are arranged in step orders to make it easy for the user's experience. Now, let's start to scrap. There's a lot of different information going on here. But first of all, going to have to download extend the extensions first. So let's press this and follow the steps here to get your scrap unlocked or even a video if you're confused. After that, you can go to any of your marketplace and select any products that you want to scrap. After installing the extensions, you will have a bar here and that you can select scrap and there they will scrap the product for you. You press view scrap product will bring you to the page and it will bring the product to your account. Now, what do we do with it? Next, after having a product, you can select it and press import. To draft now, after that, you'll bring that item up to yours to drop this thing, which we're gonna press now. For example, it was this to this. Now, draft listing is for you to finalize the details by pressing action into edit first. You can change the description, the variance, the price, anything that needed to be changed, you can change it here. Before you publish it, which is the bottom after you finalize everything needs to be finalized. Product listing. After you will appear on product listing, which means your product has already uploaded and published into your store. Now that means if you want to change it after you publish it, you can do that by pressing the edit button over at the product listing page. You will still be able to edit it. You can change whatever you want. After that, save and publish or publish the newest updated information to your store. Now, there may be a misunderstanding between marketplace to your account. If your marketplace, for example, in Shopee, you have changed information there. You're going to do what you're going to do about this. For example, this product here, you have changed the information there, but it will not update here. So what you have to do is go to the right and press refresh. This will instantly get the information for marketplace to here, basically sync from there to here. Next, we go into orders. We click orders from left. It's gonna drop down a list of different features currently drop ship orders are currently in the work, so we cannot access that yet. But we're gonna start off with new orders. Same as product. Gonna go from top to bottom. So let's start. Now, filtered pops up. What does this do? It basically finds the order that you want to find. You can sort by Shopee, Lazada as marketplace stores that you have shipping carriers sort by date, ascending or descending, or you can even search the orders yourself. So you scroll down a bit more after the filter, you'll have pre-arranged shipment here. Now, for every order that your customer purchase, your product will appear here. As orders in my case, there are no orders coming in. But in your case, there will be orders coming in. So you select them and you press the range shipment. This will bring them to unscanned orders. So let's click unscan orders. Now, top here filter as explained in new orders. I will be skipping that. So let's go down a bit more. There where we'll see a few of others now. Aside from the orders, you will brought down to scan orders and it will be here. So in this case, what we're supposed to do here is the print shipping label. So you select your orders and you press custom print. You know, custom shipping label now, you get to choose whatever you want based on your requirements or your customer requirements. In my case, I'll select both of these. So let's press print to print the shipping label. So we're going to right click and press print. You can bring up the to the output page. Well, this is what's supposed to look like actually. Make sure you go to settings and turn it into A6 instead of A4. And you press print, and after that it can be print out. So go back to the website and go to scan orders. Now we do recommend our smart scanners, or if you have your own scanner, you can scan that tracking number. It will appear here. Now, after appearing here, what you're supposed to do is select it and you press create career manifest. This will create the career manifest and be brought down to career manifest in the bottom here. You press This can manifest an example we created over here. Like so now, what happens after that we have process here and ship orders. Now these are the pages that will update you on your orders. Now, where do they go? They're still in the process orders phase. So this is going to be shown here. After that, ship is the same as process. It's going to update your products, your orders that has been shipped. And basically, for you to know what's happening to your orders. That's all for today's tutorial. Also, if you have any questions, do not hesitate to ask our customer service. In the bottom right corner, as always, thank you for watching and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more. Thank you.